channel. In today's video, let's talk about skincare. A lot of people have asked me whether or not I can get pimples and whether or not my skin breaks out, and the answer is yes. Which is why in today's video, I'm going to do a review of Pyunkang Calming Line Set, which is perfect for any acne-prone skin, combination skin to sensitive skin. So funny story, a few weeks ago, I got this pimple around my nose area, and a few days later, Style Korean sent me Pyunkang Calming Line, which I'm very grateful for. I think I should put out a disclaimer first. These products are sent to me from Style Korean, but all of my opinion about these products are 100% my honest opinion. So in today's video, we're going to talk about the brand itself, the product itself, the consistency, the ingredients, the price point, and finally my final verdict as usual. Pyunkang eliminates all unnecessary and harmful ingredients that are commonly used in the making of artificial fragrance and colors. This brand promotes gentle and safe skincare products, especially for those with acne-prone skin and also sensitive skin. Pyunkang Calming Line is perfect for those with acne-prone skin, combination skin, and also oily skin, which is why I'm going to try it out and see how well it works on my acne. Here with me, I have 4 out of 5 products from the Calming Line set. The first one is Calming Low pH Foaming Cleanser in 150 ml. The second one is Calming Deep Moisture Toner in 150 ml. Next, we have the Calming Moisture Barrier Cream in 150 ml. Spoiler alert, this is actually my favorite product. And last but not least is the Calming Mask Pack, which came in 10 pieces. The packaging of the product was very simple and aesthetic. I really love the minimal look and the design with the green touch to it. They do not have any huge writings or logos, which is why it is perfect for reuse and recycle. And I'm going to use it as a face for my plants when the products run out. This is actually my very first time trying out a foam type of cleanser, and oh my god, the experience was amazing. It was very soft and smooth, and it didn't have any added fragrance, which is nice. It feels very refreshing, and I love that it doesn't give me that tight feeling and stretchy feeling on my skin afterwards, which means that it is not drying. This foaming cleanser is specially made for sensitive skin. It also contains Centella asiatica extract for skin soothing effect. It also contains AHA to gently clean away any dead skin cells. So the next product we got right here is the Calming Deep Moisture Toner in 150 ml. It contains AHA, PHA, tea tree extract, and Centella extract for cleaning up dead skin cells and smoother skin texture. My first impression of this product was it was very cold and refreshing somehow, even though I didn't put it on my fridge. And yeah, it's just a toner, so I don't really have a lot of stuff to talk about this product, but yeah, I can truly feel that it controls my oil production throughout the day. Now this next product is the star of the show. I think that this moisture cream is by far my favorite moisturizer because of how comfortable it is on my skin. And okay, first of all, this product works very well as moisturizer to acne-prone skin. It contains active ingredients to reduce oil and sebum production in the skin while maintaining a healthy moisture balance. But the main reason of why I really love this product is because of the experience. The moisturizer really absorbs quickly into my skin and doesn't leave any greasy feelings afterwards. This is a very important aspect for me to any skincare products that I try out because I live in a pretty humid area, so it would be very annoying if it's sticky and greasy. I also noticed that this past few weeks my oil production have been reduced quite significantly, I might say, especially on the T-zone area. That is why I'm so in love with this product, and I think you should try it out since it is suitable for combination skin, oily skin, and sensitive skin, and also acne-prone skin. Last but definitely not least is the Calming Mask Pack. I totally understand why they call it the Calming Line. This mask is super cold, calming, and refreshing. This will be great if you currently have pimples or inflammation on your skin. This will definitely help soothe the inflammation. And I use this 10 to 20 minutes and pat the essence slightly into my skin and let it absorb. Okay, so now for my final verdict. So I think Pyunkang Calming Line Set is perfect for you if you have combination skin, oily skin, acne prone skin, and sensitive skin. I have tried it myself and I really like it. I really love the fact that they reduce my oil production, especially on my T-zone area where I get most oil production, and sometimes oil production is the main reason why you have acne. I will also leave the link of their products down below in the description box, and I encourage you to purchase these products from stylekorean because they usually have a lot of discounts. So that's the end of this video. I really hope that you enjoyed my review, and please let me know in the comments below whether or not you have tried these products and whether or not you like this line. And yeah, don't forget to click like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye!